Give me a second. Okay. Looking good. What the hell happened to my Discord audio? Okay. That's weird. Um, good morning, buenos dias. Alright, let's start. I'm gonna late, guys. I won't read things real quick. Let me just do the analysis real quick. Okay, so this is really what I didn't want to see. Go within this video area. Okay. The freak, that shit started biting harder. Okay, good morning, guys. Yeah, appreciate the support from yesterday. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you. I'll read the message real quick. I am a little late, so like I said, guys, the time just makes it a little difficult more for me, a little bit more. Alright, so for now, I guess I'm still bullish, really, guys. I wanted to see a closure below here, which we did, but I don't like this. I don't like this going beyond. I wanted to see just a nice. We have a nice little busy right here. Actually, not. Let me read the comments, guys. Let me read the comments. If anybody's here, of course. But yeah, I am more bearish now. Leaning bearish, but the thing is, the high timer just makes it harder for me to, like if we could really close below this version, then it would look really nice to continue looking to the downside. But I don't know, I'm just like, I guess that's why I gotta be bullish, I guess, until I've been proven fully otherwise. Stunning has it clean. Like we are in this city, like I said, guys. It looks like you do want to go lower for now, but I just need to wait a little longer for confirmation, because I'm not really trying to take an L early. Yeah, we're checking 50% of it, so yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't like it as much, but hey man, what can we do, right? We took out the south side yesterday. What should we mark up from yesterday? Previous low? Yeah, I guess. Previous low. I'm gonna take that off for a bit. I'm gonna know that we're in we're in a FPG, alright? So again, I am leaning bearish. Like, yeah, why is the thing getting brighter? Or is it me tripping? Alright, whatever. But yeah, I'm just leaning a little more bearish if I'm being honest. Like my instinct is telling me bearish, but just time hasn't really shown me fully bearishly. Okay. Yeah, like I said, we do want to go low. We start respecting that LTE level from yesterday, like I said. Well, I wanted a long, but I'm gonna keep this just because I use this for my notes. But yeah, I gotta see what happens at the opening. I'm gonna see if we have anything to continue lower. We can continue lower, then yeah, I'm gonna look for shorts, obviously. But we gotta wait. We're too free. I keep saying free, but like, I'm trying to be smart. We're too early. We're too early for that type of stuff right now. So just be patient. That price set is what it wants to do. It's looking nice though, but we'll see. Oh shit. Damn. Yeah, right now, I think bearish. I gotta see what the actually what Q we have some sort of FNTs and the top, and yeah, I would definitely be looking for some sort of. Oh, okay, okay. What I like to see, okay. Yeah, so we do have FNT at the highs. Um, for ES, we do have Asian lows and London low. Sure. Now, I know that could be. I think we're getting SMTs too at the lows right here. Look. very careful. It's interesting. We did respect it here, which I did want to equal high, but I gotta zoom out. Hold up. Mm-hmm. I mean, hey, for now, looks good. I guess I don't know. I really don't know, guys. Did anybody see a trade so far? Nah, okay. I am a little late, guys. Okay. Okay. I don't know. Anybody take a trade so far? Anybody? Anybody felt ballsy? That's the word. Okay, so again, let me see what's going on. Cause let me go to the 1 hour. Cause wow, that's way different. That's way too different. Damn. Okay, that's interesting for sure. Now, that's making me confused. So we do have hints at the highs, right? Yesterday. Yeah, you're way. You can say NQ is the weakest one, right? We do have a breaker here. A fair right, yeah. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. Anybody take a trade, guys? I didn't want to see this come up with the VPR, but if this is gonna be SMT high, then I'm assuming this will be protected high now, right? And it shouldn't really. Okay, so we do have SMT at the high, guys. We do. So we want to show, we would ideally want to show in Q for the day, right? Okay. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Dude? What are you doing? Okay, there we go. Ugh. So again, ES would be the best one to short, right? Right, guys? Help. Mhm. I'm gonna take it off because we already have over SMT that they need to. Nah, I'm gonna keep it. We have D at 10, which is the only reason why I'm not trading, but you would want to see this leg hold up 50% of this leg and just, short it to a little, whatever. But I don't know. I don't know. I really just wait to 10. I'll wait to 10 and see what happens, I'll be patient. I'm going to 2 minute. 2 minute night, in my opinion. Damn, that's tough. Yeah, this would be the leg that I would want to take. But it's still way too early for me. I don't like one of the rules like I've kind of learned the hard way was for me to not trade before 10. That's really it. Yeah, you would want to see this get diggy. Yes, that's a good though too. A cleaner gauge between the two. Where's the first percentage for value? 930, 60. Did I modify 830? I didn't. And rejection, but we have a hit equilibrium, so I wouldn't really be too confident right now. I'm gonna short that. I'm assuming some people are in shorts, but I'm not. Hey, bro, what up? Yo, why you laughing, sis? What's up with you, bro? Why you making fun of me? Yes, I'm alright. Good morning. It's a good shirt, yeah. So right now I am looking bearish, I guess. For now, we are in a higher time frame. And Q would technically be the best one to short. You know, we have S&T at the top. S&T is right here. So shorts look ideal, right? Ideally. The question with that is, do I feel ballsy enough to short it? Oh, not this one. Okay, you know, I'm going for it. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. That's interesting. We haven't hit. What's the breach? Hey, the hell? That's weird. NQ hit it. I hate when they do this. But I hate when they are way so off. Alright, so I'm going for it, guys. I'm going for it. If I get stopped, I guess out. Whatever. You know, you're not gonna figure it out. Bro, it's really not just gonna pick me up. Really, really. If it balanced it on the on look, it balanced it here. I might just take a microwave it out me too. How much would it be on NQ one? So I do want to with that. Nah, I'm good, big bro. I'm good, big bro. Alright. I was just waiting for MQ to pick me up. Is anybody's chart lagging too? Hey, what happened to my... So I'm about to short this. Where'd my trade go though? Wait, did it not just... Oh, that's why. That's why they show off. Silly goose. That's a good market. Actually, I don't know. Do I want to wait? I'm gonna wait. Uh, I'll go for it. Stop being a pussy. Just a trade. Okay, so I entered, guys. I entered literally just like a living with this leg. Um, so what I'm going for, guys, is pretty low. We'll take out one here. Would be a buy, a sell. I'm selling now. I need to buy one. Yeah, I'm in this, guys. Like, I mean, it's just on a bearish order flow, you know. I'm not trying to get thingy. Alright, let me tap this in. 954. 954. If I'm wrong, guys. It's, you know. So I'm just trying to take this out real quick. Let's do 100. I know we have these at 10, but I shouldn't really be worried too much. But then again, I feel like I should. I got for the macro, by the way. It's not that I'm putting patient. I wait for the 950 macro. I know that there's news, guys. I know that there's news at 10. Again, for those who are here, I just thingy. Once we close above here, this is now a new leg, so it should not thingy. The only thing I'm just gonna watch out, I'm watching out for right now is SMT at the lowest, which I don't want to see. I'm being honest. I prefer to. Oh yeah, I prefer if ESO is dropping now. I guess a 3 minute would look cleaner. I really want to see the toad. I like the toad so far, but come on, baby. Just let me lower. Let me lower, baby. Come on, baby. Once we go through here or something, then with the space and that, we'll look to look lower. That's interesting. My line's right at midnight too. Right here, guys. This is the midnight. Midnight. Oh shit. Sorry. There. 9:30. Oh, come on. BS coming in. No, come on. Just dump for me. I'm gonna click my windows, guys. It's way too thingy. Nice. Beautiful dump. Okay. Come on. Just click below that. Come on. Just keep going for me. Come on. Keep bleeding. I really need to see this because it's just gonna create an SMT and I don't want to see that. I'm probably just gonna take one or something. The thing I am looking for right now, boys, is this. Where would my 1-to-1 be here? Oh, it allows me to take one. Okay. I'm gonna take off one here, guys, just because. I need to see this placement. Yeah, I'm gonna take off one here and leave the rest one here. That one. No, it's not a buy stop. That one. I just don't like that You know what? I'm leaving. I'm just moving to break even. Look at the money. Look at the money. I don't like this because the SMTs. I need to see a quick thingy now. I need to see this break. Bro, what the heck? Look at ES. Alright, I'm gonna set up a thingy for this. Probably, I don't know, I'm thinking of it. Because they're way too different. That's one thing I just don't like. Oh my gosh, of course I get logged out of my thingy. He was like, oh shit, sorry. Wrong one. Anybody else took a trace it? I mean, ES I just don't like the SMTs at the low, dude. I'll give it time. I'll give it breathing room, but this is just experience, I guess. Play around with me. I expect the news to dump through it. Anybody here took a trade? Guys, don't be shy. I see there's 3 people watching. Oh. Who's gonna comment, guys? I don't expect nothing crazy. Let me see the 4 hour. Let me see the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm just bearish. Like, quickly more slightly bearish. Nice. Let me see some displacement through this low. Oh, stop. There's not really a point for this to come up higher. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna let it run. This is displacement, guys. Like some nice displacement. It just inverts this beautifully right here. Alright, 10 news thingy coming, guys. I want to see a continuation of this. We're slightly break even. We're basically break even, so I'm just gonna let the trade run. Um, I don't want to take one now, just for like the hard work. I'll buy one. I took one off, guys. Look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we just took our previous hour high. Yeah, I don't know. I want to do the sheesh. Alright, guys, so I took one off and we're break even. So whatever happens, happens. I guess I'm good. I want to see this reject, though, obviously. I want to see what NQ. We're failing to close below this. Why isn't it 2 minutes? So this is indicating it could come up here again to the strip rally again, but I really don't think it should come up here no more. Like it already did a job. It came up and failed it. Rebalanced, as you could say. Can't see nothing. Oh shoot, I'm stupid. Yo, thank you for this. Is why I need people here, bro, so they could, they could tell me what's wrong. Thank you, my guy. My bad. I apologize, bro. I hope to break even, basically, dude. I don't really think price should be coming up here anymore. And we already have this inversion on the 1 minute. Yeah, I moved to break even. So, and I took off one. So whatever happens, happens. Either I get my Pope thingy to previous day low. What I am gonna do is add a message here. It's crossing down. Crossing down. And then I would see what happens. Because I just don't like the way pricing going right now. If I'm being honest. You know? But the danger's over, I guess. Or like the bad thingy. I took one out, dude. So it's like secure something. You know, I don't want to be stupid and not doing. I took a little less risk because like the thing with me, dude. Like I'm not 100% like really good with I like this closure. I want to see a closure with this. Let's see how the whole 4 hour close. Yeah, we closed pretty bearish. Midnight. 30 was 8:30. Yeah, we're way below it. I don't like that though, but it is what it is. So again, bro, like I said, I got in here. When this leg happened, we should really we should not be coming up here at all. Like at all. This I just literally all I did was this, entered off of equilibrium, and I expect a little lower. The only thing I guess like was a little like yeah, did look cleaner. That's the only thing I just didn't like. But the thing is, it didn't reach equilibrium. You see? Oh shoot. Let me make it a little bigger. If you take this price lag from 2 minute to this 2 minute, by the time it was this, I guess this, we never hit equilibrium. So that's what I'm saying. I don't know. We might expect a little bit thingy, but we did close the boat here now, so I don't really expect it to come down. But at that point, my job isn't really to try to figure out like if I'm right or wrong, or like I gotta be precise with it. For me, it's just try to protect the trade and what makes sense for me. You know, that's really my job. And I respect the trade. I'm break even. And I took a partial, so I guess whatever happens, happens now. Whatever. What's the previous day low? Oh, here's pretty low. I really want to see bearish in it, dude, so I could start looking for short. But the way the market, the way that MT kind of tripped me out right now. But yeah, I just expect a dump, but obviously not. You see, I just don't like this, dude. The way it's playing around here too much. Either that or two things happening. Either we're gonna just consolidate and expand, or I have no idea. I really don't know. What can we mark from yesterday? Yeah, this really just makes sense to me. This is yeah. Can you see something by the way now? Yeah, I'm assuming yeah, right? Yeah, you can. Okay, cool. Water block. Just step into the M2. Well, we've been stepping into it. I just want to see the code now. I should move to this MI. I'm debating. I'm debating, guys. I'm debating. It's too slow for me. Nice rejection. Just writing down my thoughts, guys. Like, I'll show you guys what I do like in real time when I'm trading. So I just write down like when I got in and got in from the M to M swing leg. So basically, like I said, I just got in from this leg and it's this leg, and I put equilibrium and I just thingy. That's it. And then I write the time, what's happening. Like this, obviously you don't want this right away, but when you begin to get a little bit more comfortable with your thingy, you know, you just begin to write down what you're saying. I just don't like the way it's moving slow, dude. Should I just take my partials and get the frick out of here? Nah, because if we win, we win big, and I already took out the risk. So it doesn't really make sense for me to. Yeah, it doesn't really make it makes sense for this one. Just backward right here looks juicy. I would just wait. I'm gonna just wait. Whatever happens, worst comes to worst. Worst comes to worst, we just thingy. Just leave it here. I don't want to choke the trade either. Hey yo, no, Diddy. Alright, we're going into. What's the 15-minute? Oh my gosh. Who the hell looks at the 15-minute? That's crazy. Yeah, we have this wig right here. Let me see something real quick. I want to get my stop above that wick. This. Wait, it looks different on NQ. That's so weird. Oh no, same thing. Was I looking at ES then? So break. Okay, let me look at ES. We did close the vision lows. I want to see continuation, dude. I don't want to see looks like I might get stopped at break even or so. It's just cool, I guess, but I prefer not to have seen that, in my opinion. This looks a lot of wigs, bro. Like I don't want to. I want to see this. I just want to see this hold, this order block right here. Is it a strong order block for me? No, not really, but it's just an up close candle, you know. So like ICT says, if you're bearish, you want to see up close candles hold to send you lower. You know, especially this. Yeah, this wick. Yeah, this wick. These wicks right here to me look balanced. This right here. It's in the fair value gap. It's another fair value gap right here. So I don't really want to see price come up here at all. He's about to close low key. But I don't know. I mean, I think we're still holding bearish arrays like at the end of the day. Like, you see, we're still holding it, so we shouldn't really worry. We should just I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think. I don't know everything. I don't know everything. And I don't have to, but this is looking nasty to me now. Especially that dump after 10. It's like, I hate when I just have shit. You know what I realized? The dump always happens, and then every time I try to get back in, like I get in for the opposing one, I just freaking I'm gonna leave it on, guys. I'm gonna leave this on, by the way. I don't care what happens here now. You know, but what I'm telling you is it's funny because whenever I try to like take the opposite trade, like I always just get like the harder consolidation. Like that's the thing. I never get like why can't I get like this type of swing? Like as soon as I get in, boom 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 boom. Like, bruh. Okay, so right now the only thing I just don't like right now, if I'm being honest, is ES making highs. We're getting S&Ts now. We're going nowhere, guys. We're going nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. I only have two, so I can't even take a partial. Just about to close this low key. Okay, if I don't get a leg here between this, I'm gonna close. We're getting too much SMTs, guys. Too much SMTs. I'll show you guys that. Maybe I'll show you guys real quick. Look at this. What is this BS? Okay, 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 okay. So far, so good. Okay, I like that. I like that suspicion. Oh, writing that one. I want to see dumps, dude. Dumps, 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 dumps. Oh man, I don't like that way. Ugh. I don't want to close. Okay, stop. This is strike. Too much thingy, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it. That's the thing that sometimes I struggle with, guys. Like, I don't know. What's your that song like? I really just want to start seeing this hold. This is too. I need more, like what I need. Yeah, I still put quite a bit. I take this because I see this as one. I see this as a liquidity shape here. And we still respecting this, so I just want to see dumps, dude. Come on, man. Oh, let's just bombing it. So much wigs, dude. So much wigging. Nasty, nasty, very nasty price. Indeed, I can say that. Oh man. I'm just tempted to take it out, guys. I'm gonna take it out. I'm tempted, guys. I'm tempted. It's way too slow for me. I want to be in bad mode, you know. I'll leave it. The risk reward is worth, in my opinion. My opinion. I wonder if anybody else is in the same trade as me right now, because nobody's telling me. I moved it, guys. It's fine. Whatever. Entered here. Even if I get stopped out here, right? Yeah, whatever. I still struggle sometimes with this for sure. I don't like that. But it's what it is. Like it was it wasn't like a crazy good trade for me today. But just follow the rules, you know. It is what it is. I don't like that I inverted already. So it looks like we might have a reversal or a pullback. I don't see a reversal as much, but I definitely do see a pullback. A pullback into what? Basically into this leg. Again, basically like yesterday, same thing. But the thing is, just for me, the logic doesn't make sense right now for me. So that's why I'd rather not log. I mean, I'd rather not thingy. Let me let it get start hit. There's no point. If I get hit, I get hit. If not, then it's whatever. And I got hit, guys. Hey, we made $100, I guess. That's whatever. Price is, yeah, price is weird. Okay. And 17. Guys, I'm gonna close my window. My dog is barking. Alright, I'm good. If we invert this, I might look to rejoin. But I don't really want. I prefer to see it inverted, but again, not really too keen to look for longs, in my opinion. But we did also get us into the top. Just saying. I think it's a BPR, so maybe we could break through it, and I would really like to look for shorts. And then what would my risk reward be like? Yeah, still would be good, right then. It all really depends how I react here. We do have some cheese, guys, by the way. Let me take that. Let's create this quick. Might take everything. Again, if we do a reverted with such nice displacement, conventional displacement, I will be looking to engage again. We have some T's on top here. Right here. Okay, I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I'm just waiting. I just don't, yeah. I just don't like price, bro. I don't like the way it's moving at all, dude. Yeah, they never respected it, so I guess no shorts. And the S&T, if the S&T gets disrespected, then obviously. So again, guys, for today, like if you guys weren't here, I entered here. I explained my trade. Once you see like you closures through the 2 minute was better for me. I just took a swing like from here to here. That's really it. From this swing high to this swing low. Um, I got an equilibrium, and I was expecting price to reach to basically previous day's low or AM session lows, I guess, from yesterday. That's it, and obviously, like I don't know, I'll probably get all the way here, but if we got better, the thing is, if you go to the 1 hour, like we were just respecting it. See, clear displacement to the city. The only thing I just didn't like, I told you guys, is that we set the previous what's it called, 4 hour low, and then it's just we might have a pullback back into the range. It's trash. That's what I'm saying. Like we probably could go lower, but the thing is now it's just like harder now because of the 4 hours against us. Like yeah, same thing like yesterday too. When we were trying to go higher, by then the 1 hour was against us. You see? So when we were here and we started trading back into here, like I wanted to reach here, I think, right? Yesterday? This was against us, this big saving now. So it's like, and it did hold, you see? It's holding, it's making it harder for us to get through this. Because I was looking for these highs yesterday. These highs. And thank you, weirdly enough, hey, I took it out by accident. That's whatever. Whatever, already. Actually, I'm gonna put out. Nah, I'm just thinking radio, no, whatever. So yeah, so that's why this was yesterday. Was it yesterday? Yeah, yeah. For ES, it did take it. It did take the highs I wanted. Yeah, the SMT didn't work, guys. So like I said, that's good. We're done. I'm not trying to get back in the market, bro. Hell no, the market's shooting right now. I think we have news tomorrow, right? We have the red for the news tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be a good day. Trade. I don't want to save my. I don't want to waste my thinking brain cells for today, really. And Friday, that's probably looking like Probably tomorrow will be my last trading day if I'm done. And I'm done for the week. Uh, yeah, we didn't respect SMT, so yeah, I'm good. I am valid. I'm done. I kind of don't want. I mean, I kind of don't want to observe and price 2.9 the whole day. If it's gonna do this. I really wanted to see this send it lower. Where is it? An NQ, the wicks. These wicks sending us lower. All these wicks I wanted to send it lower, keep it lower. My stop loss was like here. But then I'm like, nah, I'm gonna move it because once I saw this, I saw this as a is internal liquidity sweep. And I saw the displacement, like the value gap at the time. So I was like, I'm just gonna stop out there and we gotta stop now. Yeah, I'm not trying to look for long really. And I really don't want long to be in work today again. I think it's just a daily, dude. Daily. We're about to come back to midnight. It's like a daily. Wonder, did we? Yeah, we did come back to equilibrium. I was gonna say, I expected lower. I expect a continuation. We might, I mean, we might create a fair value gap here. We might create a fair value gap here, and then obviously start working lower. But I don't know, dude. Price is just too thinking. You took a trade? Yep. Yeah, man. What a Michael. Right here, Brody. I took an MQ. Shit. I entered here, and then I just moved stop, break even slash. Nothing crazy. Nothing really. Yeah, break even basically type of. We had S&Ts at the top right here. I'll show you my lodge real quick. Look so weird. We had S&Ts. You see, we didn't take out. That's why I was looking for MQ2 to be the weaker one, and MQ just dumped. But we did take out midnight and stuff. I was looking for Asian lows, but whatever. We had S&Ts. If you go on the far, we also had S&Ts on the 4 hour. NQ just like overall the weakest one, you know. So that's why I'm trying to show NQ. That's crazy. We took all time highs. Damn, dude. It's so weird to work on the all time high. I'm going for longs. Yeah, I saw the displacement here, right? But I don't see anything to target for long, really, in my opinion. Because we already took Asian highs. We have SMTs on top. So this SMT is gonna be like it's most likely gonna be against you. This high. I mean, let's take partials like around here and stuff. But what are you taking longs on NQ? But technically NQ they like the clean one for versus. I mean, you could argue that we did take out Asian lows, but for me to go long, I would have to see for a previous day low to be taken out, or an Asia a clear session low like here. But I'm not looking for that, bro. For me, they have a hard time for the bearish. We're just coming out with 1 hour city. So I'm just looking for bears, really. But what are you taking longs in Q or ES? I mean, they're both working out technically. For long, what are you going for? For which asset? I really wanted to see this hold block right here. And it still could still hold really. I'm just not trying to be in that trade. It's way too stressful. Not even stressful, just way too crazy for me. I'd rather just get either with a small loss, or even break even, or slightly profit, and just get out. I don't know. What are you going? What are you logging though? I haven't answered my question. This just looks disgusting. I wanted to see a clean flush like here. Now, this is not good. I'm targeting the M15. No, but which for what? Yeah, what are you targeting the M15 for value gap? This one? Like I said, we could still, like I said, yes, like today, if we do that, price is gonna come back to equilibrium and probably go lower. But I just didn't want to be part of that. I wanted to be part of the nice smooth down expansion. Oh, damn. Yeah, you eating today, bro. I'm assuming you're talking about this, right? This? You're talking that, no? We already hit it for ES, by the way, so heads up. Be careful. We were here for ES, so be careful. I would be looking for shorts though. I'm just seeing it as a retracement back into equilibrium. We already hit it on ES. Heads up, dude. Heads up. Oh, the M50 fair. Okay, okay, I just saw that. Heads up, my guy. We already hit it for ES. Be very careful right now. I don't see what type of reaction we have here for it. Feel like a nice displacement, dude. I ain't gonna lie. I would love to get into a short. Oh man. I usually we have this freaking 4 hour busy. The markets are just way out of sync for me to try to make sense out of them right now. Oh, that's nice. That's a nice. Oh, that looking like a nice short. I don't know though. Nah, it's not a type of condition to get into it. It's not even clean for me, really. Like no clear sell side on buy side was taken from me, in my opinion. Trying to continue looking more because like, I feel like the stronger the buys, the stronger the liquidity taken, the more the move will play. Like the reason the move to continue to the direction of. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, busy H4. Damn, stupid busy. Stupid busy. Oh shit. Did you take partials or you still line it? That's a bro. We already hit that for. Yes. The thing is, bro, for me, nothing's really clear to look for higher. Nothing. Nothing. We have S&Ps on higher time frames. I mean, if you look at the 4 hour, bro, they're way too different. So for me to try long is against me, in my opinion. For me. You know? I'm a, I don't like the closure. It's looking like it's like a liquidity sweep. We did just have S&T at the low though. If I had another like a certain leg, I would put my stop loss here now instead of having it here. Because we haven't closed above the swing high, so I don't see price. Like price will still come down here, play around here, and then go higher. So yeah, take partials. Good. Yeah, take partials. Bro, I'm telling you, bro. Once you like, you have like 8, 9 accounts, dude. Like 100K accounts a year. Like, bro, partials could be like thousands of dollars, dude, just because you have so much equity to work around with. You know, the partial instead of being like only $100, bro. Think about $100. Okay, it's only $100, right? But now imagine this, like for example, right? Like I took partial. For me, this is break even, right? But think about this now. Like imagine having like 7 accounts. That's $700, bro. Is that really partials, bro? No, that's a whole freaking week of work, you know. So yeah, like I said, I wouldn't be looking for longs, dude. I wouldn't want to see this weight code if we're gonna go any higher. Oh, that's not looking good. Like I said, I would still be looking for shorts, guys. I just don't like. We already gotta change minute 2 minute change to delivery. Yeah, so here would have been a nice place answer if you were confident with your shorts, but the way the market was moving. Yeah. Yo, Mike, what did you take the trade from? Yeah. Oh, wow. Now the market wants to move, bro. Wow. Wow. That's tough. I mean, like I said, like this leg was still valid. This leg right here, guys. This is still the order block. But I just didn't want to see it. Wow, that's tough. That hurt. Oh shit. Yeah, like I said, short just made sense to me today. Looking for long was not my. I wasn't looking. I was really looking for Asian lows for yes, which make me want to low key take it, dude. Like, yeah. Here's a nice place to enter now. Stop loss above here. We inverted this. This was the city that created us to go higher, so I mean, I don't know, it's not really worth it for me, but I guess we have S&T in the 15 now as well. Or no? No, not really. Like I said, if I was confident, I would have gone in here. Like if like you just said we did tap that 15 and like I was still bearish, like I would get in here. The chain said delivery. Thought I would be here obviously, and then start looking for thingy. But I'm just not confident. Like we could go lower. I'm leaning more bearish than bullish, but the way the market is like it's not moving smoothly in my opinion. I took an NQ. You haven't reached NQ though, the 15. But we did on NQ. That's why you gotta monitor both, dude. It's very important to monitor both. Because this is the reason why I'm telling you I wouldn't. This is like one of the main reasons why it convinced me to go bearish because of the S&T at the top. Yeah, dude. Like I said, bro. Look at the higher time frames. If you look at the opening, just you don't have to look at the 4 hour if you don't want to confuse yourself. But look right here. You see how we swept this here? We swept this at 9:30. But for me to try to go against that, and to be honest with you, bro, I was looking at the 1 hour too, just having a day. Look at this, bro. We're coming out of a civvy. You trying to fade this to go higher? It's gonna be tough. And look at the 4 hour as well. We had S&T at the 4 hours, right here. So I was, and especially NQ, bro. If you wanted to be long, technically ES would be the one you would want to long for because it's technically the stronger one. And which is the reason why you were able to get a nice run back up here, I guess, into the 15-minute. But NQ is just so weak. If that makes sense. Well, to me it does. Yeah, I was looking at both when ES tapped in. I took the partial good. Yeah, good. Yeah, good risk management. Because I would create an S&T somewhere on the 5-minute for sure. But it's just not clear. The market's not clear for me. That's the reason why I wouldn't short this. Like if the market was clear to me, like we clearly had like for example, let's just say we clearly had like London lows, Asian lows like here. That's what I'm saying. ES looks nicely short, in my opinion. It looks better, but NQ was the weaker one technically. So that's why I took NQ. But like when we had the displacement, dude, I was like tempted to take ES, but we never even hit it. But we did now. We did now. I guess. But during this price leg at the time, I was trying to look for NQ because NQ was a weaker one, and we did hit equilibrium here. Right here. Wait, yeah, right here. Which is why I took the trade for this, but doesn't matter, I guess. So that was a nice institutional order. IOFBD to a lower. I do expect these to get run through, but just the market looks. The only reason we had like that little, I guess, thingy was because of this little city right here. Basically, sorry. I want to see it close, bro. I don't want to see no. I don't want to see no more busy, dude. I just want to go straight dumps. This is low key my drop of the week. I'll put weekly not showing. Oh my bad. It's sorry. Yeah, this will be my draw. The week. These two go lows. How we get there, I have no idea, bro. I have no idea. That's my draw for the week. What low is this? 722, 722, yeah. This will be my draw. Yeah, but I'm definitely looking for shorts. Yeah, I would be looking for shorts. I was looking for shorts, but the shorts weren't looking for me. Oh man. Yeah, dude, the market's tough today for sure. But I mean, we have news tomorrow, bro. You know, I'm up for the week pretty good. So, but I guess I'm just trying to push my thing, trying to increase my size for sure now. I think I'm ready at that point in my life now where my journey where I need to increase my size now, whether I like it or not. Even if it's like a low risk trade, I want to risk like 200 now, and like now like a good probably trade like 500 or 600 just to with the 2R bro, that's 1200. That's more than good enough to have a good buffer again. Again, bro, this was still an order block to me. This could have held. I was thinking about leaving my stop loss here, but I'm like, if we're bearish and we just had to sweep, I expect momentum to the downside. But this whole thing is still an order block, dude. That whole thing right here, it's an order block. You see all these up close candles? It's an order block. And so we change delivery here when we close the below here. Now this is the order block. That's what I'm saying. Like those order blocks are still held for me. This one right here. But when I saw this on the 1 minute, like this sweep and then displacement, like with the fair value, I'm like, yeah, I'd rather just think. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If not, then it is what it is. But to me, this is still an order block. That's why I didn't. What's it called? I just let my stop loss where it was. All these cans are an order block for me. So this is just time distortion, but I ended up refunding my step thingy. I got my 50 bucks and I ended up buying an account on take profit. Why take profit? I'm increasing my risk, dude. I'm going crazy now, dude. I'm at that point in my life where I need to now. And we're also getting S&Ps at the lows, dude, which I don't like. That's what I'm saying. Like the market is just gonna mess around with us. And I don't want to be part of that. This is I already thought we were gonna continue nicely. Look at this shit. As soon as I get in, bro. As soon as I get in. Good stuff. But yeah, my stop loss will still be here, dude. Both here. That will be my stop loss. But I got a little. I guess I want to protect the trade more. Just either I was right or wrong right away, and I was wrong right away. So. Ugh. Brother, ugh. Oh man. You're just way too weird, too thing. Now we're going back up. Dang, I know you're gonna be mad, bro. If you get stopped. Oh, you haven't got. Wait, wait, did you get stopped out? Are you still in the trade? Ugh. It held. This freaking M1 order block very value upheld. Yo, Michael, are you still in the trade, dude? It held. Oh, this one held. This one didn't, but your stop loss would be here. I'm assuming, no. 122 tomorrow. Damn, dude. That is tough, dude. That is tough. That's tough. That's tough. A bit. Oh, remind me to get a new mic. Yeah, remind me to get a new mic. I'm gonna go to the thing to the mall to get a Yeti. This mic sucks. Boot. Boots. Yeah, this is trash, dude. This is trash. Your stop loss would be here though. If you did enter like from here, from this one, like with the displacement, I would definitely have my stop loss here. No, because look, take a fib from here to here. We're in OTE, so I definitely see a nice look. I need to see a rejection, like nice and clean here on these areas. Preferably to go lower. I don't like it though. I don't like the trade. Yeah, I need to see rejections here. No. Backwards. Wait. Because when you pass your take profit count, it's going to make you pay 150 if you want to be eligible to get a payout. But on take profit, you could just pay $7 and get eligible for a payout. Top step is going to make you pay 150. Yeah, when you pass it. But I don't know. I mean, the only reason why I take stop step, bro, because of this. I could trade in thingy right now here. You know. So I don't know much about thingy, dude. To be honest, bro. Take profit. Let me see something. Take profit, you said, right? I'll see right now. 40% off right now. This? Yeah, I need to see a rejection here. If you are gonna go lower. especially on ES since we already tapped the 15-minute parallel gap. 2 minute like probably better. Yeah, 2 minutes better. Slightly better. We gotta change it in 2 minute. Displacement, market structure shift, closure. This is just a pullback, so I would really need to see a drop here. Yeah, that one. I don't know much of it, bro. Top side, I just know top is like the more technically it's like the more annoying one because you gotta wait for like certain things, but it's just the most recommendable one, especially if you know how to trade. Like it's for me, I heard they never had a problem with paying up, so I don't. I'm just going for it, dude. I've been going for it for a while, so I'm just gonna see it through now. You know, I don't like this. I don't like that we respecting this. I want to see inversions. ASAP Rocky. 90s. I don't like this. I don't like that. So yeah, like I said, I need to see displacement now here for sure. Especially if this would have been my second trade if I'm really bearish. Sorry, I thought I would be here. If I'm wrong, and I'm just done out of the trade, dude. Price is not doing anything anymore. For my eyes. Wait, Mike, are you still in the trade by the way? Cause you had your stop loss here, no? Reverted it. That's what I hate when you begin to stop like. Yeah. Once I was that's what I'm saying. Once I was here, dude, and we didn't get a follow through. Even if we were gonna get reverse like this, for me, this is a logical point of reversal. We sub liquidity with displacement, fair value gap. We inverse it right away, so I'm like, yeah, I'm good. I'm good, bro. You got that. Now we just Poseidon. It's just straight dump. Yeah, oh my gosh, bro. Price is so good today. Yesterday was nice too. I was looking for longs yesterday. No, I'm not gonna have it as I'm just having it as previous day low. Damn, bro. I'm saying I would take the opposite market. Like the one I want to take for like have a smoother price action. I was in the beginning. No, I got stopped at a break here. Oh, okay. I'm assuming you moved to break even here. Here. Yeah. Or you moved to break even here. Yeah, but we're respecting the 4 hour one. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's just like a what's it called? It's just like a roadblock. That's what he calls it. But to me, well, logically, this doesn't make sense. All these wakings, but if this wasn't here, this would be the auto block right here for me to go lower, which we probably could be tapping into, which is here, I guess. But NQ just looks overall technically slightly more bearish, if that's the word. I want to see this getting inverted, dude. ASAP. We did here. I don't know why we came back up here, but we got some T's. Wait, I'm not looking for long, bro. There's nothing really look. The only thing is, I guess if you're looking for long, is if you try long from the fair value from the daily for all-time highs, I guess. But we'll see that tomorrow. Because if we really are what's called bullish, we're gonna start trading more swing highs, and then we can look for highs. But for now, really, dude, I'm just looking for shorts, bro. I want to look for shorts. I'm looking for sell side. I want to look for more liquidity. You know what I mean? Like juicy sell stops. We can't even do that, and we have a fair value up here. So I'll probably put that in the day. Wait, no, we do have it in the day. Yeah, we do. Okay, that's what I'm saying, bro. I want to look for sell side, but nothing for me is really looking bearish right now. I mean, bullish. Yeah, I will still be looking for short, bro. Yeah, moving right on my buy. Yeah, that's the. Honestly, I'm done for the day. Yeah, I've been done, dude. Like, bro, once I saw like this, not hold and thingy, this getting inverted. Even if we had a quick reversal, that's cool. You know, I'm fine with that. I don't really care. I got stopped out where I needed to be stopped out for the market to reverse. But we're just playing around now. But like I said, if you were bearish, bro, like if I was like confident, like just say this tapped into it and I was very confident with equal lows at the low, the London lows, bro. She, I would have been in this dude. I don't know, equilibrium like I don't know, like that. And then like for shorts, but obviously I'm not fully bearish either because obviously yes, is respecting that 4 hour busy, busy. Give me a, I don't know. Yo, how's thingy though? How's vacation? I'm assuming you're on vacation over there because people here on vacation already. The students from here already thingy. Yeah, I don't like this market. Dude, look at this. Look at this BS. That's what I'm saying. That's one thing that worried me. The previous hour low swept, and then we had the displacement. That's why I was like, I'm gonna move it quickly. That's another reason why I moved it here quickly at 9:10. When we swept this, and I saw this. But yeah, I'm over here, bro. Because we could literally just had a short-term retracement. But again, I'm bearish, dude. For now, I'm leaning more bearish, like 60-40 bearish. This stupid freaking day. I want to see it getting burst already, dude. Getting burst and continue lower into this weekly fair value gap. And I can start looking for my yummy shorts. But no, we want to do some BS, continue pulling higher with the stupid fair value gap. Again, I'm looking for bears, dude. I'm not looking for. Let's say we have a breaker right here. I don't know if you realize. I'm not saying in a mean way, obviously, dude. Like, because I just realized too. I would never like try to talk to someone who's new, especially because like we open. It's a breaker right here. You see how we just this leg swept liquidity here, price stops. So this is the last damn close candle before the reversal. So that's what I'm saying. Like I'm not looking for bears, dude. I mean for bulls, in my opinion. We're just looking more for longs. Hey, hey, what my no. What did I have? Oh yeah, 1 hour. I'm like, wait, what did I have here? I like business more. Business and breakers, but only when I'm really confident in my liquidity. I would be going for previous day low. That's what I was trying to go for, dude. But nah, I want to act stupid and do this nonsense BS. Yeah, I'm entering college. That's what's up. Are you nervous? I'm moving right. Yeah, right there, ready. Okay. Are you nervous though? You're gonna get wedgied by the college students? That never happened, right? In the movies, but not in real life, my guy. I went to go play ball yesterday. My brother in Puebla, bro. It was nice, bro. It was nice, dude. The view was nice. Like, I'm gonna see if I can show it real quick. But I'm just gonna concentrate. It's gonna focus on the lens. Bro, we went to play on this nice court, like city type court. I'm just gonna pick it up though. I can't really tell. Maybe a little bit, but nice, dude. Yeah, you can't really tell. Daily 1 HR, a 5 correct sequence of time frame. It's up to you, dude. Really, to it just, bro. Like that's a question I used to ask myself all the time, too, dude. It's up to you. This is my thing, bro. Like something I was also obsessed with was the daily time frame in the beginning, because everybody's always saying the daily time frame is king or whatever. But the 4 hour is gonna put you into a different perspective in the sense that fair value gaps, the 4 hour, swinging highs, previous day lows, previous thingy, those are gonna be reversal points for me. So I usually, yeah, I look at the daily, but not right now because like it's not really putting much of a thought into it. But when it gets better, I guess I would. But for now, bro, the 4 hours is just really the only thing that's keeping me alive in this game right now. I'm looking at bids for the 4 hour, then I go to the 1 hour, then I go to the 15 minute, and then depending on the entry, depending on like how quick we get a move or how quick not we get a move, I'll look into the. I don't enter on the 5. I look at the 5 for a confirmation, like change of say delivery, like here. See, like here, look nice. Then I will go into the 1 minute, and if the 1 minute looks too messy, like today I took a minute, I took a trade on the 2 minute, because this leg at the time, like at the time, the 1 minute looked messy to me. Too many fair value gaps, bro. You see how it looks messy to me? It doesn't look like clear. Just go for time frame. You know, this makes it a little better. I just took a. I was looking for previous A low for NQ. We also had SMT at the top, so all I did was just enter equilibrium. So my trade was like basically like here, and then I just have my stop loss here. Then I started monitoring on the like turn thingy. So then we get this. I get failed. Cool, 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 cool. We get a new leg lower. Okay, I took a partial because like I didn't like the way we were like not displacing two thingies. The 1 minute. And then we get another leg. And then once I see like consolidation like this around the lows, I'm like, oh bro, hell nah, dude. And then I see this. I see this. I'll see at the 1 hour. We're sweeping the previous hour low at the time. And we were expecting a thingy on NQ on ES of busy. And then we had this. I'm like, okay, well, I guess I'm moving my stop loss here. So it was here, like I said. Then I just moved it here. Oh, sorry. Other way around. I moved my stop loss all the way up. I took a partial and I just moved my stop loss here basically. That was basically just risk free at the time. And that's it. But it depends on what makes more sense to you, dude. You know? Hello, Tony. Yo, what up, Daffy? What up, my guy? Oh, shoot. Damn. That's tough. Yeah, I was looking for shorts since the morning, going into the morning. We had S&Ts. We were coming after 1 hour. But I definitely use a 1 hour. For sure, for sure, for sure. Non-Nillion, I think that's how you say name. My bad if I'm mispronouncing it. I definitely look at the 1 hour for sure. It just makes sense to me, you know, the most. But yeah, I would use the 15 minute with the 1 hour for sure. And then look into the 15 minute. And obviously looking for some S&Ts to confirm your bias, you know. And then entry off of 1. But I wait till 10 after 10. Today I got in a little early just because we have orange folder news. I didn't really expect it to be much of a volatility type of, you know, FOMC day. So I was expecting the 10 a.m. news to just dump it, and it didn't. So it is what it is. Sample 1 hour CIZ, then look for the 15 minute. Oh, yeah, it's up to you, bro. Cause it really depends up to you, bro. Like if you just wait for more confirmation, usually for me the 5 minutes, for me the confirmation for CIZ, for me, you know. If we already have it on the 1 hour, then obviously I'm not looking for it no more on the lower time frame. I'm just looking for an entry. I'm looking for fair value. I put in like that 5 minute and then 1 minute structure to continue higher. Yeah, it's up to you, bro. It depends on how much confirmation you're waiting for. You know, for me, this is the change in delivery right here on the 1 hour, which is also what an order block basically. You know, but yeah, it really depends on you, bro. How confident you want to wait until thinking. But this for me the change delivery here. That's what I'm saying. I wasn't looking for longs. I wasn't looking longs at all. And then you obviously get into the 15 minute. We did tap in, look at the rejection, but I don't pay attention to that. I look at the SMTs. Boom. Okay. We gain displacement. Boom. Nice leg. We get a closure of this swing low. So I expect this leg to be protected now. So that's why I take this leg to this leg, equilibrium to go lower. And it didn't do that. So, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, I definitely got the 1 hour too for change delivery. But that's only depending on the high time frame. For example, that's why, like here, bro, I'm bearish now. Like, you see this? We already got a 4 hour change in delivery. Up, 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 up. And finally, we got a down close candle here. So for me, this is a change in delivery now on the 4 hour. This is a big order block. That's what I'm saying. I'm not looking for longs at all anymore. But at least for NQ. ES looks messy now. Because like, if you look at ES just has something to the top, which is kind of, it's kind of mind fucking with you. Because like, we haven't sit here. We're lower. That's what I said. I would rather short NQ. And if I was a long, I would rather long ES. But we're respecting the city, so I mean it could just be a short-term pullback or whatever retracement, but I'm just overall looking for bears. I want to see closures now, you know, inversions gets respected. Yo, Tony, react to my music real quick. Can you send me the link, dude? Yeah, react to my music. What? I ain't no freaking reaction channel. What the hell's wrong with you? ¿Qué te pasa, hijo de la chingada? I'm just playing, dude. But yeah, dude, I'm just bearish, bro. I'm bearish. Order block, maybe that's more than enough for me, dog. SMTs, cream on the pie, dude. Shorts all the way, baby. It's on every platform. Mike Tutai is called closure. What do you mean by every platform? What's every platform, bro? Gotcha. The only thing I like we were below this too. And I don't like shorting before the opening prices. Asian looks like juicy. So that's why I would rather. Damn, bro. Oh wait, oh wait, oh wait. Alright, we're dating back to the 15-minute per value game now, by the way. Mike. I guess we want to go deeper into the retracement. Can you guys hear it? No, I'm just playing. I'm just playing. I'm just playing, Brody. Okay, I definitely want this to hold now. Definitely. Now I'm looking for definite reactions here, Rose. I'm not longer bullish, really. Like, I don't want to see this song late again. I see reactions here now. For sure, for sure. We came back to equilibrium. We came back to equilibrium for both. Yeah. I'm looking for definitely rejections here now. 100% looking for rejections. This is looking like a lot of liquidity being thingy. Current line liquidity. Damn. It's making me want to take a trade. It's making me want to look for a trade. What the fuck? I ended up tapping on it? Wait, what? Bro, come on, at least hear it. I did hear it. Look, right here. You can't hear it? Nice work. Damn, bro, you better sweep me off your feet, dude. You can make me fall in love with you. That was so sad. Okay, so obviously, I like it, right? Right? But the thing is, bro, I don't listen to sad music. I don't like listening to sad music because, like, you know, I don't like feeding into this type of stuff. But I mean, it's good, you know. Yo, Tony, I would low key short. Yeah, I am looking for shorts too. Especially we have here. Should we go for a short? Yeah, I'm going for a short, dude. You're just way too clean right now. I'm looking for a short, guys. I'm looking for a short. 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 I'm just waiting for a thingy though. I'm looking for a short, guys. I'm just looking for a closure. Nice. Okay, now I'm looking for a short, guys. Damn, bro, look what you made me do, bro. If it wasn't for you, I would not been here no more. I mean, we were up in the first trade, so that's fine. Oh shit. Fuck. Okay. I'm enter market. Hold on. Let me see how much I can enter for the market. I'm gonna enter with the market, dude. With 3. Okay, we trade wrecked. Nah, I'm enter with the market, dude. This is confusing me. Hold up. There. Enter with the market. I'm not trying to be perfect. Especially if it's ready to dump. So. Okay, there we go. Alright. Alright, guys, we're into short again. We are finally now having this place I was looking for all morning. Alright, guys, let's go. We're in this 15-minute. Nice rejection. Beautiful rejection, in my opinion, dude. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Alright. Guys, I'm in this short, by the way. I want to see the breakaway gap. Look at this beautiful south side liquidity, dude. I'll move to break even pretty quick and let the rest run. Entered here. It's fine. You don't gotta be perfect, guys. That's something I should think all the time. Like, you gotta be perfect. You gotta be perfect. You don't gotta be perfect. All right. I don't know how much I risk though. That's the thing. What is the entry model? Well, in this case, I just entered off a limit order, but usually I just wait for a fair value gap. I guess I gotta wait here, but I prefer not to. I want to see a dump, dude. I'm just been looking for shorts all morning, so I don't expect like you see like it's like this, dude. I don't expect this anymore to think. I'm going break even pretty quick. If we have displacement, Brody, yo, bro, we on this. But usually, it's, definitely a fair value gap. Like technically, this would be my entry in this way, but I don't expect the. Sometimes it just takes experience, my guy. For me personally, I'm just speaking from my own personal experience. Like the market won't even trace anymore today. They'll leave them open and they'll just dump, dude. You know. I'm looking for this trade, guys. And then obviously we got hold for previously low, obviously, but yeah. I'm trying to see dumps, dude. I'm trying to see dumps right now. Oh, the guy. I'm running down my notes real quick. Wait, where did I take the trade at? Oh, ES is okay. ES is retracing up. But yeah, usually thingy. I'm putting my. But yeah, usually here. If I was in like I guess impatient right now, like in a weird way, I would enter here. But it's not different, dude. It's not really crazy there. It's a 2-minute. Yeah, we got a 2-minute change delivery as well, dude. Technically, we could come up here. Do I prefer to? No, I want to leave it a breakaway, and then make another one and trade to that one and go lower. But I never get what I want, dude. So it don't matter what I want. Again, I got in here. It's a nice rejection for me. It's more than enough for me to get in here. I want to see dumps. You could tap into this. It's cool. This is now inverted. Yeah, I guess we tapped into clearing, but I'm looking for lower prices. If we take an L here, guys, we took an L for the day. I won earlier, so it's really just a break-even day for me. I'll be more than happy to take it, take the loss and walk away. Especially if I know if I'm catching the top, I guess I'm happy, dude. I am a very happy boy. We're just looking for ES. ES, we're stepping back into the inversion IFEG. I want to see a dump from here, or we could create SMT, which I guess would be better, but not really because it's scary. I hate when the market goes against me, but if it's going against me to create SMT, hey man, I'll be happy with that too. All right. So again, that would be my entry if you were really thinking really wanted to wait, but I'm expecting a reversal. So you know, I like this. I like what? I like this too, but am I gonna be right? Nah, I don't know, bro. That's why I lowered my risk. I was just risking my profits earlier. You see? I'm fine. I like this too though, but you know, it could still fail, dude. And we're gonna be sad. And we're gonna cry. We're gonna revenge trade. And we're gonna what's the word? What do you guys say nowadays? What do you kids say nowadays? What's that word you guys say? I'm gonna crash out. There you go. Yeah, yeah. Again, I'm cool with this trade. If I'm wrong, I walk away. I no harm done, bro. No harm done. I just get a break even day. We're during the macro too. That's something I don't know if you guys realized that at the time, but I really want to see expansion here. I'm not trying to waste too much of a mental capital today because I know the market's already where it's at. I'm really just trying to. I like this closure. I want to see closures now. Where are we at the 1 hour though? Yeah, look at this, guys. I just realized this too. What is this bad boy right here? Another Sabi. Yes, sir. Right here. Look at this. Beautiful. Look, equilibrium too, my guy. She. I really want to see a dump. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I'll move this aside. Look at this, guys. Move this here to here. What is that? Equilibrium. Beautiful rejection. That's what I'm saying. I want to see a dump here. If not, then I don't care. I mean, I obviously do care, but not in the sense like I care if I'm right or wrong. I just care like I just want to have a nice dump here. ES is taking too long. I don't like ES. ES is acting weird today, which was funny because I thought ES was gonna be like the nicer one today, coming in. I like this dump. I don't care if I lose. Like if I'm wrong, it's fine. I'm done. If I'm right, I'm good. I'm good too. I'm looking for this. And then if you really like you have balls of steel, look for this. But I really want to see closures now. Let me see the 15-minute, yeah. What we're seeing. We're stepping into this auto block. But I expect this a reversal point, so it doesn't really matter to me. I always look for a CIZ then start hunting for entry. Yeah, me too. But on the higher time frame, you know. But the thing is, dude, like this is already changing side delivery for me. This leg with just I'm just seeing this leg as the retracement to go lower. We already had a chance. Remember, bro, we already had a chance to deliver in the 1 hour. Here, right here. And then we just another displacement, and now we have a fair value gap. So we already, I'm already looking for. I already have a change of the state of delivery. I'm just looking for. I'm seeing the swing leg as a retracement, right? Like this, like dude. By the way, welcome to the channel, dude. Welcome. You see? I'm looking. I already went with equilibrium. That's all I need, bro. Now I'm just looking for entries because I already have the confirmation I need. I just need to look for the M1 entry now, which is here. I'm seeing this as just as time distortion, and I'm seeing this as all liquidity for me. I just don't like this wick that we came back up. I prefer we had seen a nice straight dump from it, but hey man, we ain't the market, man. We ain't the market makers. But yeah, like I said, if I was looking for entries, this would be my entry. This would really gap. Stop loss will still be here, obviously. But I've realized that you don't gotta be perfect, dude. Yay, we get displacement. I really want to see displacement right below here. Definitely. I want to see a dump. Because I move my stop loss. Oh, come on, bro. Don't do this garbage. Price action BS again, dude. Ugh. How much would it be here? Because the low key, bro, if I could just take a 1-on-1 or 1 to 1.5, I'll be fine with that, dude. What would it be here? Yeah, that's juicy. I'm seeing this as rebalanced now. I just want to see a dump, man. Okay, ES is dumping. Nice. Something I gotta watch out for though is the I don't want to form what is it called? I have both open by the way on my other chart. You see? I'm looking for displacement through these lows. For confirmation, like okay, we're good. We're in good hands, guys. We're in good hands. But you know, yeah, me too. I look for change delivery, but I already have it on the higher time frame. So I'm just looking for, you know, either liquidity strip on the M1 or displacement from a favorite. Depending, it really just depends on the scenario and depending on the time. I never trade around this time, by the way. I'm just trading here because freaking Michael was talking to me and I got thinking, and then I mean it's not bad. It's not a bad trade for sure. I would take the trade like in the morning. I'm usually waiting for the trade after 10, you know. But yeah, I'm not really looking for. I really want to see this like lower now. Like once we sweep this leg, dude, guys, moving my stop loss to not break even to here. I'm seeing this as a balance already. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Leave. And then this would then this leg would now be the new leg, right? So even if this retraces, like for me, my stop loss would be the same kind. So even if we retrace from here to here, I would just expect this to be a retracement. And then, yeah. But I don't want to see that, bro. I'm just trying to see a straight dump. I don't have to eat a freaking burrito, just a straight dump, man. Like, I'm trying to wait. You know? Oh, man. Anybody else took a trade? Anybody's in this trade, guys? By the way, if you guys are new, I would appreciate if you guys could subscribe. Your name will pop up on the screen. Pretty dope. Not that though, but you know, it'd be pretty cool, guys. It'd be pretty cool. Hey, I'm 116 in profit. Yippee! By the way, I recommend having this in six, guys. Don't ever like. I'm not gonna say ever because everybody's different. I'm a weak person, mentally, in a sense that I would get manipulated by the money amount. Let's take it out, you know, and start looking for logical places to thingy. Let me look at the 1 hour. Yeah, we start previous hour high too. It's looking good now. This is looking really good. Yeah, looking yummy. And I look scrumptious. Okay, I like that. I like that little, you know, I like the little candle. All right, guys. So again, I just want to see dumps from here now. I want to see dump here through this swing. This leg is very important for me. Oh man, I just realized we took it on NQ. Shit. Okay. I didn't realize that, guys. I need to see dump now for sure. Guys, we took it on NQ. I don't like that. And yes. Oh, I'll put this on the side real quick. We took that. You see? Wait, can you guys see from my big head? Oh, you can't. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Let me move this to ES. Let me move this to MNQ. Compare both. I don't like this. Ugh. I don't like this, guys. What time is it? 11:16. I need to see immediate dumps now. Like, or else I'm just probably gonna close. Okay, we came back to retest it. I need to see dumps, guys. I need to see dumps to this. First, I'm ready to have it closed. We're having S&Ts. Again. As I'm saying, I need to see this now. I definitely don't want to see this go higher anytime soon. I'll give it like 2 more minutes. If it doesn't just freaking give me like some nasty, crazy bullish wake. I don't like this, guys. Guys, I'm giving this like 2 more minutes. Dump on me and catch up. Keep dumping, keep dumping. I want you guys to keep dumping. Oh my god, I'm saying, bro, I never get the right market. I'm always on the opposite one. Dude, for real? Okay, okay, bro, really, dude. You really can do that to me like that? Great. Alright, I need to stop dumping now, guys, for sure. For sure, for sure. I'm giving this last minute. If it's going up again, I'm just gonna close it. ES is looking nice though, for sure. Anybody who took ES, BG, I guess. I took NQ. This will be good. Nice. Okay, nice. We're getting moving now. I'm gonna move my stop loss now. I don't really want to see this come up anymore. These are little things that eventually you're gonna pick up on. Eventually, yeah. As you get, as you like, you know, you just years into the market. Okay. I like the easy stomach getting. Ugh. I'm about to close this, guys. I don't like this. It's taking too long. A minute. 3 minutes. A minute. Yeesh. Yeah. Brother, ugh. Bruh. Okay. So ironically, ES is weaker now. I need this to dump, dog. Like, it just straight up dump on me right here. I'm closing, bro. I don't like this. I don't like this. If you think ES GG, I guess you're up. I guess no. Damn, you already have 1.6. I'm out here break even. I'm about to close this, guys. I don't like this. Sheesh. I mean, technically, if you would have waited, you would have been patient. You know, you would have been a little up, I guess. Slightly up. I don't know. How much am I down? I'm close, guys. I don't like this. Imagine if we just dump from here as soon as I exit it. I close that break even. Yeah, break even. Break even there, guys. I don't know. That's what it is. It was a nice trade though. I would have taken the trade over again, but it's just the way the prices. We're having SMTs, guys. We're having SMTs now. Again, you see, we're just having short term pullback into a thingy. Well, that was a good thingy. You see, just hold. Nah, bro. Nothing sent me to hold in here. If we were gonna dump, we would have been dumped, dude. I'm telling you, it's just like little things like these that you begin to eventually pick up on. Like one of them is instant. Instant, it's definitely a real thing. Instant. We shouldn't really be seen as like reversal should be quick, my guy. Like that's one thing. Like eventually, as you get better and better, as like more and more longer thingy, you begin to pick up on. But technically, yeah, your stop loss should be still here for sure because it could still thingy go lower. But I'm not looking for this, dude. I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for a quick, nice move down to the downside. We just came up, so up liquidity again. But the thing I just don't like. We're inversing already. You see this? We're inversing. I don't like this. We could go higher now. I don't know. I mean, you could hold, dude. Like, I would definitely recommend the beginning holding. But as you progress, you begin to understand like certain things shouldn't happen. Certain things should happen at this time, but they shouldn't. This should have happened. I should have seen this fishing through here, bro. If I was gonna like continue thingy monitoring the trade. Again, it could still go lower, dude. But the way it's gonna go lower is gonna be tough, dude, for sure. I'm always I think I read that already. I did. It's every also inverse this, which is not good. Yeah, bro. It looks like we're not having any short term, long term reversal right now. We might just wait till after lunch or so, like during the pre evening session. Wait, Michael, you sent the trade? I'm assuming you're selling it, no? Michael, you sent the trade, my guy? Alright, I'm talking to some girl I met the other day. She's cute, bro. She's mad cute. Freak. Yeah, you see, guys, I don't like this. Michael, I wish you the best, man. May the odds be in your favor. Michael, don't give up on me, pal. Don't give up on me, pal. You got this, dude. I really hope it does reverse. It's gonna sting, obviously, but this was just a nice, beautiful rejection for me to ignore, dude. For both, really. We retrace back into equilibrium. I'm still overall bearish, you know, so that's what I'm looking for. I would the only thing that you would really want to hold now is this wick. And immediately started spacing lower now. Sheesh. Michael, you sent the train, my guy? I want to turn the light. Oh man. Alright. Michael, you sent the trade? I mean, it can still work, dude. Stop loss should definitely still be here. For sure. Especially because we haven't broken through any swing lows. Michael, I really hope you won this one, dude, but it's too much for me to hold. I just can't do that right now to myself. Especially because I already know the market in a shitty condition. I expect either I get stopped out pretty quick or I'm wrong right away. That's the type of condition you begin to try to frame your brain around. Again, we're just coming back to the thingy, so we could still reverse, my guy, but the deeper we go higher, my guy, obviously the lower the probability is that we're gonna continue going lower. We're just having minor pullbacks, I guess, and continue higher. Maybe we are gonna go higher, dude. I don't know. I don't know. You don't have to. As long as you see what you have to say in the market and then you're still thingy. Oh, okay, we're getting some nice reverses here. Okay. I definitely want to see this get inverted ASAP Rock again. Because this is now an inversion, dude. I want to see this event immediately get disrespected and go lower. Something like this. I don't want to. I definitely. You don't want to see this go. You don't want to see this hold, dude. You don't. You don't. You need this. You need to see this dump here, now or never. I kind of want to take a trade now. Okay. Oh shit! Did I just market order by accident? Oh, I didn't. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. I'm gonna enter this trade again. I'm seeing this as just a pullback, but once we close the boat here, my stop loss would be here. Obviously, it depends how we close here. You have to see a dump here, dude. This swing high is now as much as I expected it to go if we go lower. Because if we do something like this, that's not good as well. You just compounding it. I'm going in again with a little let risk. Because the thing is, the risk reward is good on my side, dude. I can make like 1 to 3 if I'm right, of course. I'm waiting for this to get inverted, dude. This time I'm taking ES. I mean, sorry, I'm still taking NQ, guys. I don't care. I'm gonna be loyal to NQ. I don't like this. See these wicks? I don't like this. I don't like this, guys. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's not good. Uh-oh, guys. I need to see him quickly get thingy close below this, preferably below this. This would be nice too, but this is better in my opinion. There's nothing really. I don't even want price to go up here anymore, if I'm being honest. Right here. Yikes, that's not good. That's not good. Now you just really have to pray. This is it. This is the last key of your defense, my guy. But I mean, obviously I wouldn't be in the trade. I needed to see this closure and then put my stop loss here. Mike, are you in the trade, my guy? I'm not gonna take any trades anymore. This is just me, euphorically speaking. Is that even a word? Nice rejection, but again, that's not good enough for me. I need to see legs broken out, swing legs. Yeah, look at this 5-minute order block. Oh, that's not looking good. That's not looking good, pal. I need to see. I wanted to see dumps here. Here could still work, but just less likely now. And it's tough. This is a tough market for sure today. For as long as you don't spaz out, you'll be fine. Well, I'm gonna take a picture. Mike, are you did take this trade by the way? No, Nillian, welcome to the channel, dude. Oh yeah, that's not looking pretty anymore. Jeez. How long have I been shooting for? And now almost 2 hours. Okay, it's pretty dope. It's like the more people begin to come, the more fun it begins to get. Because that I would have been gone, guys. Like this market's trash, bro. I'm not trying to figure it out right now. What's trying to do? Oh yeah, that's tough. Nope, that's not good. Like SMTs maybe. If we get profit here, that'd be freaking crazy, dude. But you would have to have your stop loss above the swing high, like I said earlier. You have to. You have to. Come on, yes, just tap it in again and go. If we get another market structure shift here, I'm willing to take a trade again. I haven't taken it though. I need to take it. What's the high here? 36. Yeah, I need to take it from me and then eventually break lower. I don't trust those equal highs like left like that. Dog. This market's something else. I'm not taking any more trades, but what the hell? Good for the day. Yeah, I don't care what it wants to do now. It's already too late for me. I mean, the 1150 macro is coming up. If you're feeling ballsy. I'm good. I don't care. It probably gonna do something during the evening session. Yeah, I'm good, bro. I mean, break even type of day. It's actually better than losing, obviously. Yeah, because then this would really put me in the red. And it's not a hop already trade for me either way. So. Yeah, I'm good. I mean, just a pretty 15-minute high, which is good. Here's where you would really now demand. That was now or never. Again, you see ES took the swing the thingy. If this place is lowered, it created another tendency. Michael, are you in the trade by the way? If you don't mind me asking. I wanted to see dumps here, dude. ASAP Rocky. This one, like, it's a must now. Then your stop loss would be me here now. If you're taking another re-entry, of course. Then your stop loss would be here, because now it's SMT that's protected. Supposedly, you know? Then just go for this swing low, I don't know. So many equal lows. I'm good, guys. I'll probably end the stream here. Yo, guys, anybody who's new, I would appreciate if you guys subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. You know, it makes it more fun for sure. It makes me more accountable to my trading decisions as well. You know, because I know for a fact that there's people watching and like, I don't want to look all. I made a video about this, but you know, it just takes more accountability when you know someone's watching you. You don't want to act impulsive, stupid, like a little child. You know, like, like you know, I want my money back. Like, so if you guys subscribe, it would be pretty much helpful. We did have a break even there, guys. Like, I don't mind. I don't care. I was looking for shorts in the morning here. I was looking for another short here. I stopped there. Like, once I saw this SMT as well, right here, I'm like, yeah, my guy, you got that, big bro. So you. Now all I really hope is this SMT holds and we get a nice, I mean, like a convincing fat dump through this swing low. We can have a market structure shift, swing lower, protected high, SMT high. Boom. But do I ever get what I want? Hell no. But yeah, I mean, I don't really care at this point. The market has been more trash, so save your ammunition for tomorrow. I took 2 trades. It is what it is. Michael, thanks so much for being here, my guy. Non-alien. Hopefully you come back. My boy Daffy, sorry. Appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, guys. Don't gamble. You know. Do not be impulsive. Don't be impulsive, guys. Don't be impulsive, alright? Control your emotions.